Today I will discuss logic and computers. Logic is the foundation of correct and orderly thinking, while a computer is a tool that operates based on pre-programmed logic. Without logic, a computer cannot think or process data correctly. So you could say logic is the brains behind a computer. Let's start with three core concepts of logic. First, Boolean logic. This is the foundation, defining the principles of true and false values. To work with these values, we use operations such as AND, OR, and NOT. These operations form the foundation of logical reasoning in computer systems. Second, logic gates. Think of these as the hardware implementation or physical representation of the Boolean operations mentioned above. These gates are the building blocks for more complex circuits within a computer. Third, truth tables. These are our tools for representing and evaluating logical operations. They provide a systematic way to view all possible combinations of inputs and their final outputs. Now, how does this logic directly relate to computers? The answer lies in the binary system. Logic is what underpins computation. This binary system relies on two simple values, 0 and 1, to represent all types of data. These logical operations are the basis of all calculations in modern computers. Each binary digit, known as a bit, can represent various data types. When these bits are combined, they create more complex data structures such as bytes, which are crucial for storing information. Ultimately, logical expressions are evaluated using Boolean logic, which allows programmers to create efficient algorithms and decision-making processes in software. So, where can we find this application of logic? The answer is everywhere, starting from digital circuits, where logic gates are combined to form complex circuits. In algorithms and decision-making, logic guides control flow and problem-solving. In programming logic, basics like if-then conditional statements and loops are the core principles of logic. Even in sophisticated systems like artificial intelligence, AI, logic is used for advanced decision-making processes. Let's look at a simple case study, traffic light control. In this system, logic effectively regulates the sequence of light changes. The decision-making algorithm within it uses logical expressions to determine what actions to take. Within the hardware, there are logic gate circuits that combine gates to process these operations. And within the software, these programming conditions form the decision-making logic within the code. As the quote says, unlock the power of logic. By exploring logical thinking, we are essentially unlocking the power of computing itself through its fundamental principles. Logic isn't just a theory, it's the language computers use to operate. Thanks for watching. False values. To work with the foundation of logical reasoning in computer systems. Today I will discuss logic and computers.